Bonjour chers amis, welcome to Step by Step French Part 3. Kindly go through the previous parts by all means in order to better understand this part, and I'm sure you will learn French very quickly, effortlessly. I prove it. Thank you. Let's start our video. Words in English ending in ENT and ANT come from French, and all these words have same spelling and the same meaning. For instance, different in English is pronounced in French as différent. ENT is pronounced as on, différent. Different is pronounced as différent. Important ANT words are pronounced as important. This im becomes am, important. Notice that. Pronunciation of im and in, for instance, the stress is always at the end of the word in French. Notice that. It is not very different that way. How do you translate it into French? It is not very different that way. If you go through the previous videos, you will understand it very easily. Ce n'est pas très différent comme ça. Ce n'est pas très différent comme ça. But it is very important for me. But it is very important for me. How do you say it in French? Mais c'est très important pour moi. Mais c'est très important pour moi. Very important. How do you say it in French? Very important. Très important. Here notice there is a liaison. This S is pronounced as Z. Très important, because the vowel is followed by a vowel. In between there is a consonant. Therefore, très important. Evident in French is pronounced as évident. Recent, how is it pronounced in French? Récent. Constant in French is pronounced as constant. Merci, thank you. Kindly, dear friends, go through these videos and I'm sure you will learn very good French. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.